Did you know that having a daytime and a nighttime skincare routine can be a benefit to your skin? Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Nuna. In this video, I will be showing you my daytime and nighttime skincare routine. It's a good idea to have a daytime and nighttime skincare routine because specific products work better when applied during the day, such as products that protect the skin against environmental stressors like free radicals and harmful UV rays, while there are products that are recommended for the nighttime. These products normally have potent active ingredients designed to restore the skin, increase cell turnover, and target stubborn skincare concerns. During the day, we are exposed to environmental stressors such as the sun, dirt, dust, and air pollution. Because of this, it's important that your skincare routine involves some type of protection from UV rays from the sun and also an antioxidant to prevent oxidative damage to the skin. While at nighttime, your skin has the opportunity to recover, repair, and restore itself from any stress or damage that may have occurred during the daytime. It is also the time when you have a chance to cleanse your skin of all the dirt and pollution you may have been exposed to during the day. For my daytime skincare routine, I normally skip cleansing in the morning and just rinse my face off in the shower. Then I follow that up with my face mist. And then I follow that up with my hyaluronic acid serum. I normally use 2 hyaluronic acid serums. However, in the summer months, my skin is not as dry, so I only use one of these skin serums. I then follow that up with a vitamin C serum. I'm currently using a new vitamin C serum, but my favorite skin serum is this one. Then I follow that up with my moisturizer. And this is my favorite moisturizer that I've been using for a long time now. After that, I finish off my daytime skincare routine by applying sunscreen. For my nighttime skincare routine, I like to double cleanse. So the first thing that I do is to use a micellar water to remove any dirt, oil, and makeup if I applied any that day. Most of the time I use a cleansing balm if I wore makeup. If I didn't wear makeup, then I would just move on to my face wash. After using my face wash, I then apply my face mist. Then follow that up with my hyaluronic acid serum. And then I apply my moisturizer. After I apply my moisturizer, I then apply a retinol serum on top of my moisturizer. Because I have sensitive skin, I only apply the retinol serum to targeted spots because I want to prevent irritating my skin. So I would apply my retinol serum to any areas where I may have texture, and if I have any pimples that are inflamed, I would then apply spot treatments, and I would normally apply the spot treatment before applying my moisturizer. It's best to have a simple routine in place because you're more likely to be consistent with it, which will lead to visible results or improvement in your skin. Overall, it's important to have a daytime and nighttime skincare routine because this can help to address your skin's needs during the daytime and the nighttime. During the daytime, it ensures that your skin is adequately protected from environmental factors, which helps to prevent premature aging and protect the skin from the sun. done. And during the nighttime, your skin has the chance to properly repair and restore itself, and it's also the time where your products work on any skin concerns that you have. Comment down below your daytime and nighttime skincare routines. Hopefully you found this video useful. If you like this video, please hit the like button, comment down below what you'd like to see next, and please subscribe so you don't miss my next video. Thank you for watching.